You can see on YouTube how many dog videos are going viral with millions of views. Some shorts get around 12 million views, and many people are making videos like these and earning millions of dollars. You can check that even a single long video uploaded on YouTube has reached 10 million views, and some channels have over 515 million views on similar dog videos. Videos like these go extremely viral. Today, we will also make videos like this in a very easy and simple way. I will explain the complete process, how you can create images for free, how to make AI stories, and how to make videos 100% free. Don't worry, everything is free. Videos like these go very viral, so we will make them too. If you are new and want to understand how these videos work, or if you already know how to make animated videos, still watch this video because you might learn something new. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I bring new ideas every time. Let's get started on how we can make AI videos. Step 1. First, open Canva and click on Create a new doc. After that, write your story or click on the magic write option at the top and paste the prompt there. I will provide this prompt in the YouTube description. Once you paste the prompt, your story will be generated. You can also create different stories by changing the prompt. After that, type, "Give me 6 image prompts," and you'll get the prompts. Next, open ChatGPT. You can paste the same prompts here as well. Once pasted, a new story will be generated from those prompts. Then simply type, "Give me 6 image prompts" again, and you'll start receiving them. Now, just copy one of the prompts. Step 2. I will copy a prompt from ChatGPT, then go to Canva AI, click on it, and paste the prompt. The image will be generated. Just keep copying and pasting the prompts, and the images will keep appearing. As you can see, the images are coming out really well. Canva is a great tool. You can also use the story you created in Canva or the one generated in ChatGPT. Both options are useful. Now I'll keep copying the prompts and pasting them, and you'll see the images will keep generating one by one. Step 3. Generate audio now. To generate the audio, I will copy the story and paste it here. Then type TTS Maker. A free text-to-speech tool will appear. Click on it. Now paste the prompt, your story, into the box. You'll see many voice options. You can choose any one you like. Before clicking on Convert to Speech, you may be asked to enter a verification code. The code changes every time. After entering the code, click on Convert to Speech. Then click on Click to Verify, and your audio will be ready. Step 4. Generate video. There are different websites you can use to generate videos like runwaymlhaluai.videosiat.ai. You can use any of these, but most of them offer limited free credits. Since we want to make videos for free, here's what you can do. If you want to use one of these tools, just upload the images you downloaded from Canva and you can create a video from them. But now, let's focus on how to make a free AI video. Using Meta AI to create animated videos, now open meta.ai. After that, copy a prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into meta.ai. Then, click on the Imagine button. In just a few seconds, meta.ai will generate an image. And as you can see, the image quality is really impressive. Now, click on the Play button. It will show Animate, and your video will start generating automatically. Just keep copying and pasting prompts like this and click on Imagine each time. Once the image appears, click the Play button again to turn that image into a video. Now, I will keep copying prompts and pasting them here. And the images and videos will keep generating automatically. Just follow me step by step on the screen as I show you the full process. And now, let me tell you some important things about Meta AI. Meta.ai is a powerful AI tool developed by Meta that allows users to generate high-quality images and animations from simple text prompts. With just a few clicks, you can turn your ideas into visuals and even create animated videos. It's fast, easy to use, and great for content creators who want to make engaging media without advanced skills. Meta.AI is revolutionizing how we create visuals using artificial intelligence. Meta AI is truly a powerful and amazing tool. This is how I created all my videos, just by pasting prompts and clicking a few buttons. After your videos are generated, you can download and save them. If you want to edit them, you can use tools like CapCut, Filmora, or InShot, whichever you prefer. If you ask me, I personally use CapCut and Filmora. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll bring another helpful video next time.